The 1992 GMC Syclone is the world's quickest production truck, and it's a true legend. With a 4.3L turbocharged V6 cranking out 280 horsepower, seriously underrated, it rockets from 0 to 60 in just 4.3 seconds, beating even the Ferrari 348. Its all-wheel drive and performance-tuned suspension make it a beast on the road. Only 2,995 were made, each featuring that sleek monochromatic paint and cladding. This truck could outrun contemporary Corvettes and Porsches, all for an original price of $25,970. Today, clean examples can fetch over $60,000. The ultimate sleeper pickup of the 90s? Absolutely.